उड़ू ऊंचा।
Children, today we are going to learn the sound of the letter T. Say it with me. T, T, T. Look at this picture. Look at some tasty food on the table. Our tongue can taste the flavor of the food. Taste can be sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. Mangoes are sour or sweet. Grapes are sour. Bitter gourd is bitter. And these chips are salty. Our tongue likes to have tasty food. Tasty, table, tongue. Can you identify this picture? That's right. This is a table. Tables can be round, square, or a triangle. A triangle table has 3 legs. Square tables have 4 legs. We use tables to eat, write, use computer, and play games. Do you have any tables in your house? What do you use it for? Table. Table. Look at these trucks. Can you guess the names of these trucks? This is a fire truck. Fire truck takes the firefighters to a place where there is fire. The truck carries lots and lots of water. The firefighter takes the hose, uses water to put the fire out. Dump truck. Dump truck collects all the trash from different places to keep our area clean and tidy. Tow truck. If someone leaves the car in the middle of the road, the tow truck will tow the car to put it on the side. Tow truck. Truck. Tow truck. Now let's see if you can identify the words beginning with the sound T. Tiger, whale, train, laptop, phone, tissue. Does whale begin with the sound T? No. What about tiger? Tiger. Yes, tiger. What about laptop? No, laptop does not begin with the sound T. Train? Yes, train, and also tissue. What about phone? Phone does not begin with the sound T. Awesome! You did a great job!
Like, share and subscribe.